Oke guys, eh, hari ini perdana aku mau coba website yang namanya episoden.com. Jadi ingin komunikasi dengan orang-orang di negara lain. Ada satu platform yang gratis. Jadi kita dikasih waktu setiap conversation itu 7 menit. Nah, nanti setelah itu kita bisa nyambung dengan orang yang berbeda. Nah, aku mau coba targetin sebenarnya ya. Aku mau coba targetin 30 hari ke depan. Nah, jadi bagi teman-teman yang tertarik bisa akses linknya di bawah episoden.com. Nah, kita langsung akses ke websitenya dan agak gugup juga nih ya nanti bagaimana komunikasinya karena jujur bahasa Inggrisku kurang begitu bagus. Nah, tapi ya apalah, karena juga online ketemunya ya, nggak ketemu setiap hari juga. Oke, ikuti hari ini hari pertama. Mudah-mudahan istiqomah sampai 30 hari ke depan. Langsung kita tuju websitenya. Nah, ini websitenya guys, episoden.com. Sesi berikutnya itu di 5 menit lagi ya. Kita nunggu. Cara gabungnya gimana? Tinggal akses ini, lalu nanti register. Terus nanti input beberapa data, habis itu kita login, dan ini waktu tunggu kita ke conversation berikutnya. Oke, kita juga bisa nambah di sini foto profil ya. Foto profil boleh kita tambahkan sambil nunggu waktu. Oke, sip. Muncul fotonya, terus di bawah sini apa ini ya? Belum ada. Kita skip berarti. Ini ada white ticket otomatis diperbarui setiap 24 jam. Jadi kita bisa menerima feedback positif dari English skill kita ya. Terus ada blue ticket, unlike white ones, ini bisa disimpan tanpa batas dan diberikan otomatis ketika mendapatkan rating yang bagus. Nah, jadi ternyata ada ratingnya ya. Rating ini kalau aku ada buka YouTube itu rating diberikan setelah kita melakukan percakapan dengan peserta lain, lalu di akhir itu nanti saling memberi rating. Ya nggak usah jadi beban lah, yang penting kita coba saja platform ini. Mudah-mudahan bisa membantu dalam meningkatkan kemampuan dalam berbahasa Inggris. Oke, sambil berteman dengan jangkauan yang lebih luas dengan luar negeri ya. Tapi tidak menutup kemungkinan juga ketemu dengan orang yang sama negara, yaitu di Indonesia juga. Ada beberapa aku searching di YouTube itu, jadi dia ketemu dengan orang Indonesia. Nah, terus dari mana aku dapat ini? Itu dari YouTube. Ada tiba-tiba lewat ya di beranda, aku klik, dan ternyata menarik conversation-nya. Oke, 30 detik lagi. Kita klik join now. Lalu kita paskan muka kita. Approve, kita bisa atur di sini ya. Mau blur atau gimana. Join.
Alright, this question is, tell me a time that your friend did something that made you laugh. One time we were taking pictures and several of us women were seated, and one of my mom's friends, who's super tall, came and kneeled down beside us. So we were seated and he was kneeling, and it made me laugh so hard because it looked like we were all the same height, but he was actually kneeling. All right, now it's your turn. You have 7 minutes in one.
Hello,
Hello.
how are you? How you doing?
Hello. I'm fine. And how about you, Mister?
I'm doing well. Are
Okay.
you from Indonesia?
Yes, I from Indonesia and you from Argentina?
Exactly. Yes, I am. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just for your flag, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Which part you live over there? What city you live over there?
I live in a small city called Chivilcoy. Uh, Chivilcoy is located in the middle of my country,
Mm-hmm.
near of the capital,
Yeah.
like 1 hour from the capital,
Oh, yeah,
of
yeah.
my country.
That's
Yes,
great.
yeah.
Okay. I think your
The
English.
capital of my country is Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires, yeah, Buenos Aires.
Yeah.
I know, I know. I think your English
Yes.
is very well, very friendly, but I so bad because I try learning in English, so I'm sorry before.
No, don't. I mean, you don't need to apologize, about your English. I mean, I have been learning English for 1 year, and sometimes my English is not good. Sometimes my English is better than another day. I don't know why. We have different kind of day, and
Yeah,
it depends when you are, um, how you are, I mean, if you are good, probably today your English, good. I mean, it's gonna be so good. Sometimes it's bad. I don't know what, but you don't need to apologize for me. I can understand you perfectly when you are speaking English, so it's good enough for me.
okay, so
Yes.
what's your advice for me as beginner in English?
I am not. I mean, I feel like my English is, it's okay for 1 year learning English. But I don't feel like my English is good for give an advice, for someone. But let me tell you a little bit about my my thoughts.
Yeah.
So I think you I mean, you have to try to be surrounded by English as much
Mm-hmm.
as you can. For
Mm-hmm.
example, try to be curious. Try to be, try to be curious about how to say everything that you know in your native language, but in English, for example.
I see,
And
I
I
see.
mean, for me, the second language that you are learning, like for example, English in our case, is the reflection from our native language,
Yeah.
So, my goal is being able to speak uh, English as I can speak Spanish, for example,
Mm.
my native language. I would like to speak English. I would like to speak English to know words in English and expression and something like that. At the same way than I can do in Spanish.
Oh, yeah.
So for example, yeah. So for example, if you like, if you like to say, "Oh, good morning" to everyone
Yeah.
in Bahasa, for example,
Yeah, yeah.
okay, how can I say this, but in English because it's really helpful. Useful. Sorry, it's useful. Uh, don't. My advice is don't spend time in words or sentence or something that you are not going to use
Oh,
in your
yeah.
life.
I see.
Try to learn words and i mean uh tenses or expression that you are going to use in
Mm-hmm.
your daily life.
Mm-hmm.
That's it. And i mean something that helped me a lot was uh to write before going to sleep about your day. you know so for example,
Okay.
you know
I see.
before going to bed, yes, to write about your day. How was
Yeah.
your day? What did you do in your day? For example, oh, today I woke up at 7 a.m. and then I went to work, and then I spoke with my friend or something like that. That's
Yeah, yeah.
really useful for me. Yes, and try to speak. Because if you don't speak every day, you will never become fluent in English.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, you have to try to speak as much as you can, and that's it.
That's great advice for me. Thank you so much.
Wow. But it's amazing, English. I mean, we can have a conversation, we can speak about our culture, our countries,
Yeah.
and what do you like to do and whatever, it's amazing. I know in Bahasa, I know apa kabar,
Yeah, you know
terima
bahasa.
kasih.
Interesting. So when you talk a bahasa, so you have been visit Indonesia?
No, I haven't. But I have some friends from your country,
Huh?
and I met with them in another app, you know.
Oh.
Uh, yes, Tandem. I don't know if you know Tandem.
No, no, I don't know.
Yes, there is application call it Tandem,
Handling.
you know, Tandem. Yes, it's really useful, So you can, I mean, you can speak with people from many countries. You can exchange languages, and
Okay.
also there are
Sorry,
room.
can you spell this application?
Yes, is T
T
A
A
N
N
D
D
E
E
M.
M. Tandem.
I'm not sure if is M or N at the end. Tandem,
Oh yeah, yeah.
tandem.
Tandem application. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
The
tandem.
language exchange apps. Okay, I will try. Okay, that's
Yes,
great.
yes, trust me, it's a good app, and you are gonna improve a lot your English with Tandem. But your English is so good, you can speak English well.
Thank you, thank you.
Congratulations. Okay, so then probably we could talk again on Tandem
Yeah, of
if you are
course.
if you are going to use it.
Yeah,
Okay.
I want to install this Tandem recently. Okay, thank you for
Yeah,
your advice. This time will
you're
be
you're
end.
welcome.
See you
Keep
next.
going.
Okay, thank you. Oke guys, 7 menit sudah dapat sama orang Argentina tadi ya. Sepertinya saudaranya Messi, tapi lancar banget bahasa Inggrisnya. Kalah aku ya. Kalah jauh banget. Kalah telak. Oke, kita cek. Kita klik better than me ya. Oke, outlook. Sip. Today you meet these nice people. Oke, go home page. Next topic ada friends and family. Kita nunggu 8 menit lagi. Oke, sambil kita tunggu dulu ya. Oke, 34 detik lagi. Kita lihat akan bertemu dengan orang mana. Agak gugup nih ya, karena bahasa Inggrisku sangat-sangat jelek. Aduh, ini akibat banyak nggak memperhatikan pelajaran bahasa Inggris saat SMP SMA ini ya. Oke, klik join now. Klik join.
Herr Pendi.
Ya,
Hi, how are you?
hi Rani, I'm fine and you?
I'm doing alright, thank you. Is this your first time here?
Yes, it's my first day join with episode.
Okay, that's nice. You're an English teacher by any chance?
No, no.
No.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how did you learn English?
At school, just at
Mhm.
school, and I want to improve my English. And suddenly I found episode from my friend and really interesting about episode.
Okay, I got it. Is your current job related to English? Do you need English at your workplace?
No, but sometimes like I writing down programming code use English. Yeah.
You're an IT people person. That's the reason you're a software developer.
Yeah.
You're a software developer. Okay, back end, front end, or even your full stack.
Uh, Sometimes full stack, but I prefer on back end.
Oh, really? That's hard.
And you
I
know
really,
about that, yeah. So
I,
amazing.
I'm an IT student. I'm about to graduate.
Oh,
So yeah,
yeah.
I really relate to that. Okay. Anyway, have a good conversation, everyone. See you later. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Hello. What's up, bro?
I'm doing great. Thank you for asking. How about you?
Yeah, I'm great. Also, you from Indonesia like me?
Yeah, same. We both same country here.
Okay. My name is Herpendi. I stay at South Jakarta, and you?
Oh, okay. I'm. You can call me Ricky. I
Ricky.
live in Surabaya right now.
Oh, Surabaya, West Java ya.
East Java.
East Java. Oh, sorry, sorry. East Java.
Yeah.
I think I heard your English very good.
Oh
So,
well, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
and I still first day in episode, and I'm sorry
Oh,
my English is so
yeah.
bad.
Well, it's okay. Your English is also good, actually.
So how long you have been joined with episode?
Oh, it's been 6 months. Yeah, I've been here
Oh,
since 6 months.
so
Yeah.
amazing. So that's right, you are really fluently in English.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry. You say that. Where you from? Sorry.
I stay at South Jakarta, but actually I'm from Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan.
Oh, Yogyakarta.
No, I stay at North, sorry, Jakarta Selatan,
Oh, South Jakarta.
South
Sorry. Okay.
Jakarta, yeah.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Okay.
actually I live at Banjarmasin, South
Oh.
Kalimantan.
So, what are you doing in Jakarta? Studying or working?
For working, my office sent me here to create a website for one organization. So I stay here from 1 year. After I finish it my task, I have to go back to Banjarmasin. And you?
Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool. Yeah, I also work in Surabaya as well. So yeah, I was born and raised here, and also work here.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah, yeah. Anyway, my father from East Java,
Oh, really?
yeah, transmigration program of Soeharto, our president, our second
Ah, I
president,
see.
yeah,
Yeah.
to Kalimantan, and was born. My father born at Jember,
Oh, I see. Yeah.
Jember. But all of member, all of my family, like grandfather and grandmother, moved to Kalimantan. So until now we uh, didn't have any family at Jember.
But how about you? Have you ever been in East Java before?
Yeah, I last year I visit my friend at Surabaya.
I see.
He is college at PENS. Sorry, ITS. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, that it does.
Anyway, which part of you live at Surabaya? Your
Oh, yeah, I live in West Surabaya. It's called Benowo. Yeah, I'm from there. West Surabaya.
Benowo?
Benowo, yeah.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Benowo. Have you?
ITS in the East Surabaya ITS. For me, I'm the West. So yeah,
Oh, so
it
long.
it took 25 minutes for me to
25
go to
minutes.
ITS from my home. Yeah,
Yeah,
not far, but takes time.
yeah. Yeah. But honestly, I prefer Surabaya than Jakarta. Jakarta is
Oh, really? Why?
very, very crowded, very traffic jam over there, and really hot, I think. How about
Yeah.
Surabaya?
But in here it's also hot. If you speak about the weather, yeah, it's also hot. But yeah, I agree. If for the traffic jam and crowded,
Yeah,
in here is less than Jakarta. Yeah.
yeah. In Jakarta, we cannot reading slowly. It will
Yeah.
be get horn from the other
Yeah.
motorcycle. Oh, very very terrible, and I think I got shock culture here.
Ah, so what is your shock culture there?
Yes, about like food in Banjarmasin. Food usually is sweety. In Jakarta, commonly spicy,
Ah, I
and
see.
then like if we live at Banjarmasin, we meet each other with other people, known or unknown. We give like greeting,
Great
but
thing. Yeah.
in Jakarta, we meet it together just no greeting, I think. Very
Yeah.
differently
Yeah.
with Banjarmasin.
Yeah.
I don't know
I,
how about Surabaya.
I got it. But yeah, mostly right now because people in Surabaya not 100% from here. I mean, like there is also people from Jakarta, people from Bandung, people from Jogja work here as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, I think it depends. But if the people who was born here actually still do that, I mean, like if they meet people, they say greet and sometimes giving smile or something like that. But recently, if the other people, I mean, no.
Oh yeah, 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 yeah. So Surabaya in weekend more not crowded like weekday, yeah, like Jakarta.
Yeah, yep, exactly. So for the weekend, I think people are getting lazy to go out. So it's quite yeah, it's not as crowded as weekdays. Oh, okay. The time is up.
Okay,
Thank you very much. Have a nice
thanks.
day.
Nice to
Bye.
meet you.
Yep.
Oke guys, itu tadi orang kedua. Nah ini kita diarahkan lagi ke orang ketiga sama orang Indonesia ini ya. Hello,
Hello.
how is going?
It all going so great. How about you? Can I call you Harpenly?
Yeah, you can call me Pendi.
Oh yeah, Pendi, yeah. Because
Yeah.
long yeah. Harpenly.
Are you from Indonesia, Miss
Yeah.
Ira? Okay. Where is
Same with
which is part of you live? Jakarta or
Jakarta, yeah.
oh
How about you?
Jakarta? Yeah, I stay at South Jakarta at Pasar Minggu.
Me at as well. South Jakarta as well.
Huh?
Cilandak.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Quite near, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, this is my first day join with Episoden, so I'm
Nice.
sorry if my English is very bad.
No,
But I
no, no,
still
no.
laughing. How
Me
about
also.
you? You have joined for a long time maybe in Episoden?
I've known this episode from the beginning of this year,
Oh.
but I've been off from this, I guess, for several months, and this is my. I consider today as a first time as at the second time. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah.
Like, very long time not using this.
Oh, maybe really busy with your work or anything.
Not really. I just got distracted by other things,
Oh yeah,
and
I see.
then I want to prepare my job interview at the next few days, so I go to episode.
Yeah,
How about
yeah, I see, I see.
what's your story?
Actually, before I try to learning English individually, but I think nothing improved. So I just searching on YouTube and I found episodely videos from one channel. I forget the channel, and today I try to register and start conversation, and you are
Mhm.
the uh, third people I communicated.
Oh, nice then.
So I still nervous, honestly.
Don't be, but I also got nervous when I got maybe partner, native partner
Yeah,
or bule partner.
yeah.
I speak English. It got me like so stressed out, and then losing all of my words.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see. Me too. On my first conversation, I meet with from Argentina, and
Mm.
his English is very very fluently, and I I feel blank in my head.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's also happening to me several times. And also, the most scary partner in speaking English is Gen Z kids, you know.
Yeah, okay. Gen Z,
Gen Z.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Like so fluent. Oh my god.
Oh yeah. Anyway, how do you for living, Miss Ira?
I'm a business development. I've been working at business development for almost 7 years.
Oh,
Probably.
very
And
interesting.
but I currently unemployed right now
Why?
because of the last company were doing efficiency things.
Oh yeah yeah yeah. Like government ya, make
Uh,
efficiency.
efficiency like maybe cutting their budget or something like
Oh
that.
yeah. Yes.
So I'm looking for new opportunity right now. So I preparing for the job interview in the next few days.
Yeah yeah. Good luck. I
Thank you.
hope you can get a new job that with your passion actually. Yeah. Okay.
And how about you? How do you do for a living?
Yeah, I just part-time people. I work like create a website as a
Mm.
software developer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, application mobile
Mm.
and the others like this. Yeah, because my
Well,
background is in IT when I college.
is a software engineering and UI UX designer are related?
Yeah, relate with you told before. Yeah, you know about that?
I'm thinking to switch career as a UI UX designer,
Oh,
but
really?
I
Why?
still hesitate about it
Yeah, yeah, I know.
because I've heard from few people that in the future the UI UX design will get replaced by an AI. How do you think about that?
Yeah, AI I think is very very scary. Yeah, so we have to adapt also with AI,
Mm-hmm,
improve our skills.
mm-hmm,
Actually, especially about skill they don't do, like
mm-hmm.
maybe in character and the other, but in technology it will be disrupting with AI. So
Yeah, yeah.
but no problem, we can still work with our profession. I think like me, yeah, with IT, can use can use AI to improve my work also. No problem.
Okay, so you in order to adapt, you need to learn how to use AI
Yeah,
more
yeah, of course.
to be our support,
Yeah,
not our replacement, right?
yeah. Gitu.
So you approve that if I'm switching career to UI UX.
Yes, because now IT is very very developed, yeah, and UX is specially place that we can create some product that very interesting of people. UI
Yeah.
UX is the gate, I think, but back end is yeah, we can create before. Okay, thumbs up. Nice to meet you. Oke guys, sudah habis waktunya. Kita akan ketemu orang ketiga. From China. From China, guys. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How is it going? How are
Mm,
you?
Not very well.
Why?
Well, well, because I hate my boss.
Oh. So you there is problem with your boss?
My boss is a stupid asshole.
No. Can you tell me what's the problem?
Well, actually, he just became my boss last month. Yeah, so, but 1 month is already enough for me to see what kind of person he is. He's so confusing. He has no idea about our work, the direction, about how to do the job, how to accomplish the job. He had no direction for you. He just push you. You should finish that job, but he will not show you how to do it. He just want the result and nothing else.
Oh. Oh
He
no.
will provide you no resources, no guidance, nothing, but he want the result only.
Yeah, I see, I see. I think if I on your condition, I will head like you also.
Yeah, shitty person, right?
Okay. So your name is Sophie from China.
Yes, China.
Which part of China? Your city?
And South part.
South part. Oh, China is huge country. Taiwan is part of China.
Yeah, Taiwan is part of China. Even they deny it, but Taiwan is a small place. They do not have economic. They do not have the power. They have nothing. They have no capability to say no.
Oh yeah. Okay, okay. So Taiwan have their own president or own leader, different with China.
Yeah, they have their own leader, but it's I think Taiwan's economic is not so well. So yeah, so I think they cannot support themselves.
Yeah, I
It's
saw at news Taiwan with China is not really friendship. That's right over there.
You mean friendly with China?
Yeah, like some problem with China, Taiwan.
Yeah, the main problem is they deny that they do not acknowledge that they are part of China. That's the main problem.
Oh yeah. I see. I have some friends that college over there at Taiwan. Yeah. China is one country that I want to visit someday. I
Mm-hmm.
see China have development technology,
Mm-hmm.
so wonderful, I think, at China. So very lucky you live at China, I think. How about
No. Well, people in China do not feel so luckily we can
really?
live in China. Yeah. It's no,
Why?
no.
You have the biggest technology, economy, product, and the other.
For me, if I perhaps I will feel lucky if I was born in Europe countries. I don't. Yeah,
Really?
yeah.
Why?
Well, being a Chinese person is so tired. That's
Mm,
why.
mm,
It's so tired in China now. The society, you live in a society like this,
mm.
you will feel so tired every day, just like me. Every day
Mm.
feel so tired. And what's the meaning of life if you every day you work 12 hours per day? What's the meaning of life?
Oh yeah, I see, I see.
Yeah.
I think you have to get some vacation. You have to visit Indonesia to Bali. You ever heard about Bali?
uh Perhaps, but I don't know the Chinese name.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Hmm.
yeah. In Indonesia, also have many descendants of China. Yeah,
Hmm.
we call it Cindo. Cindo is China Indonesia.
uh
And here, the most of them is very very successful in business.
I heard that a lot of Indonesia people they immigrated to Singapore because local Indonesia people do not act like Chinese people, so they ran away from Indonesia.
Yeah, this is pastime, yeah, but now is
Mm.
nothing. All is friendly, but actually in Singapore, majority also from China, not like Indonesia. Indonesia very
Mm-hmm.
really friendly with the other people from the other country. So you have to visit
Mm.
Indonesia and maybe swimming at Bali Beach to make you
Mm.
enjoyable with your work, I think.
I know that famous island, yeah.
Yeah,
But I don't know. It's too expensive, the flight ticket, the hotel. So yeah, I
yeah.
don't know.
If in high season like December, it will be really really high about ticket. But if you
Mm-hmm.
go on maybe at January, February, it will be
Mm.
cheaper than high season. Okay, nice to meet you,
Thank you.
Sophie. Oke guys, tadi ketemu sama orang Cina. Bagus banget tuh bahasa Inggrisnya juga. Aku agak keder juga tadi ya. Oke, terakhir ya, orang keempat. Kita pilih Better Than Me tentu ya. Out loud. Meet new partner. Oke, the last people, orang terakhir. Kita cek dari negara mana. Halo,
Hmm?
what's up bro?
Oh, good. Thank you. How about you? What's up?
I'm fine.
Oh,
From Indonesia too, like me ya.
yeah, I am Indonesian.
Okay, Bas Bukhari. What city you live? Which part of Indonesia you live now?
It's actually I live in Bogor City. No, I mean not Bogor City. It is like Bogor Regency, but the area called Sentul City. How about you?
Oh,
Where do
Sentul
you?
City. I have visit Curug Aren. You know Curug Aren?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, yeah.
So, how about you? Where do you live?
Yeah, I stay at Jakarta for 1 years.
Hmm.
But actually I live at Banjarmasin, South Kalimantan.
Oh, yeah,
Okay,
gotcha.
okay. I went to Curug Aren last week
Mhm.
with my friends.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think good choice with traffic at Jakarta to visit
Mhm.
a place like Bogor, Central City. Really make me healing over there.
Oh, you heal? Oh, wow. Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice to hear that.
How do you do for living? Is
What I do for living?
yeah.
I'm a business person. How about you? What do you do in life?
Oh, is uh, actually I as software developer, so I create like a website. I create
Mhm.
like yeah, mobile apps and the others. Okay.
Wow, I do appreciate you. That's cool.
No, you are really cool as businessman. I have to learn with you as businessman.
Oh,
What feel you do in business? Like
what kind of businesses
yeah,
I do?
yeah.
I run like three businesses. I have three brands of my business.
Yeah.
I have my own brands. So the first brand is related to the menswear.
Mm.
The second and the third one related to services. So it's actually being a business person is not really easy. I can say that I want to stop it, that I need money. So as a business person, we should enjoy everything
Oh yeah.
because we don't have working hour.
Mm.
All the time is our working hour.
Oh.
So we should be ready if the customer, the client, or even the vendors call us in any kind of time, any kind of purposes, and a lot of things. So yeah, we couldn't stop them because we need their money.
I like your English, very fluent, not like me, very bad.
No,
Uh,
no, we are learning here. We are learning together in this platform. So you speak English really good as long as I can understand what you speak. So I do appreciate it.
okay. Anyway, this is my first day. I joined with episode 10.
Oh, you sure?
Yeah,
Wow.
so I still feel nervous with communicated, even with one country like you.
Oh, it's actually okay because I also it is my first week, so I just try to speak English with a lot of
Whoa,
people.
your first
It is,
week and you really fluently. Oh my
oh,
god.
thank you. I can say that, like I think we are speaking English really good because of not only the vocabularies that we have,
Mm,
but also practicing.
yeah.
Practice makes us perfect. So let's do a lot of practice.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry, I wanna drink
Yeah,
some
no
water.
problem. So what is your goal in learning English as you are a businessman?
Actually, as a business person, sometimes we know a lot of people,
Mm,
not only coming from our company.
yeah.
I am handling more than 100 employees.
Oh.
And we also do meet a lot of foreigner that really want to really want to work with us. So we should be able to understand what actually they want in every kind of sector, especially in my business. But the first purpose that I have is I really want to continue my study.
That's great.
Mhm.
Where
And
where you will go? Study abroad maybe?
yeah, I want to pursue my doctoral program in
Oh,
Australia or in Europe.
yeah. What is the university?
I have accepted by some universities for sure, but I don't know. I I will continue for study itself, but not. But let me have some time to think.
Yeah, yeah. With scholarship or your
Hmm.
financial.
Actually, I really want to get with scholarship, but I should try to apply for any kind of scholarship that I
Mm,
have. But as my experiences since senior high school,
mm.
I got scholarship
Ooh.
until master program. So I
Yeah.
think without scholarship, I couldn't stand by myself. I really want to get another scholarship for myself.
So I think you are a Clipper student, yeah. You get scholarship when
Oh,
you're
yeah.
still young. Until now, you
Mm.
try to pursue a scholarship. Why you
Oh,
choose
no.
Australia?
No, I mean not only Australian, but also in US, in
Hmm.
Europe. But let me see. I mean, like learning English is not only about speaking English and also continuing study. It's not only about the best university that we study for, but the major that I need to study linear to my background. So I really want to have a really good studies background to make me easier to get any kind of high, what is that called, high career in the future.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh
And
no, time is will be ended. So enjoy discuss with you,
yeah, have a
Mr.
great
Wari. Nice to meet you. Oke, dah cukup hari ini. Aduh, harus belajar banyak-banyak lagi supaya nggak keder ya. Oke, ikuti lagi besok kita coba lagi hari kedua, join di episode, ketemu dengan orang dengan negara mana, no problem ya. Terima kasih, terus belajar. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.